Hi, I'm Chris from Hanna Instruments UK, and this is a brief video about the units that you might see on a HI-977 photometer and if they're the right units that you want to read as. Today I've got a phosphate meter. When this meter arrives, it may be reading as P043-, and in some industries you want that to read as P instead. It's really easy to change. We just press the three-lined button for settings. The top option in the settings menu is chemical form, and we click select, and in this instance I want my units to be as P, so I go down to P, press select, and we can prove that that's reading how we want it, where it says at the bottom phosphate HR brackets P. So within the brackets we want it to say the units that we want to read as. This is the same approach with the ammonia high range 97713 photometer, which reads as NH4+ as default, but you may want this to read as NH3-N. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us at Hanna Instruments UK. Thanks a lot.